The mini laser jewelry welding machine is composed of a YAG pulse laser, laser power supply, imported optical system, built-in integrated water cooling machine, CCD observation system, etc. Tabletop equipment, small size, lightweight, strong function. Adopts the laser power supply and welding system independently developed and is equipped with the dual observation mode of HD microscope and CCD camera. This series of products is for the jewelry, hardware, and electronic industry design. Mainly used in jewelry, hardware, electronic components, 3C communication, crafts, and other industries. They can repair and weld all kinds of metals and alloys, spot weld lines, splicing, embedded troops, and other welding, such as stainless steel, copper, gold, silver, K-gold, jewelry processing shop, factories, or schools, scientific research laboratories, necessary welding tools. If you have any needs, please contact us.